Hello guys, and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to simply change your package name. So if you have already a project and you wish to change the package name, I will show you the easiest way. So first you need to click this little settings show options menu icon and uncheck this hide empty middle packages. After that, those packages will be separated, as you can see here, and you need to click on one of these and go to refactor and rename. It will show you warnings. You just click rename packages, and where I'm going to change my project app to my new project, and click refactor. After you click, you need to confirm that down below by clicking do refactor. And it will start renaming your packages. And as you can see here, now they changed to my new project. After you change those packages, don't forget to open a Gradle build file, module application, and change application ID to the same name as you chose, my new project. And of course, at the end, synchronize this Gradle build file and wrap it up. That's all. That's all you need to do in order to change a package name. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.